Hi guys, I'm Janine, and I thought it'd be a nice opportunity to give you an introduction to me instead of all the foods and pastas and wonderful sauces I cook in my song intro. I live in Florida and New York. I've been on YouTube for 4 years, and though I've only been cooking the last 6 months, that's because my channel in the beginning started cooking. Then we added some lifestyle moments of renovating and decorating and all of that kind of stuff. And then when we came back to Florida 6 months ago, I wanted to really focus on recipes and cooking because it's my first passion. The channel will always be about food, family, and my life as I share it. And I hope you enjoy that variety because it gives me the opportunity to share more than just a meal or a recipe. I did a live recently, which was fun, with the hope that you would get to know me a little better and I wouldn't have to cook and talk at the same time, but we both know I can. I tell stories when I cook, if I have one. If I don't have one, we'll brush through a quick recipe. But a lot of times food is so personal to me, and I'm sure to all of you, that you have a story of maybe somebody who taught it to you or shared it with you or introduced you to it. So I like to have fun with that and be a little bit more personal as far as the dish I'm making. I cook anything and everything from my own mind and recipes and imagination, and I also have cookbooks. I watch YouTube, I watch Instagram, I watch Facebook, I watch television, I watch anything and everything that has to do with food because I love food. I love to cook it, love to eat it, love to talk about anything to do with it, so that's the fun of that. What else? Like I said, we live in Florida and New York, 6 months in each place. So you'll be seeing a lot of variety of foods I get to cook there because I was telling some friends and viewers that tuned in for my live that I have other foods available to me in New York that I just can't get in South Florida. And me and my husband, Vinny. Vinny is my cameraman. You'll see him in certain shots and shorts. I love to do shorts. That's another thing that my channel includes because they're fun. And they're mostly about food and my environment, where we live. You see New York. We live in Glen Cove, New York, and I did a little brief winter clip because we were there for a family event. And mostly you'll see on the beach. I walk every day in South Florida to keep in shape because I'm eating all these delicious things I'm cooking. That's another thing. We don't waste any food here. Nothing's cooked for the sake of pictures or views or anything of that nature. If I'm cooking it, we're eating it and I buy it. There's just me and my hubby. We're both retirees. And I'm Janine and Vinny, my husband. We have a little fur baby, Millie. And we have lots of kids and grandkids. I won't go into that, but we are a seasoned couple, a blended family. And what else could I say about myself? I also incorporated recently my travel as part of my life and things that are going to happen like that. I did a show of prepping for outfits and stuff because I thought the ladies would like that and be a little fun. And I'm sure if hubby has something going on, we'll throw that in too because we don't pick any one group of people. We love everyone and we share everything we can with everyone. And we've met a lot of great people here on YouTube. So I hope you tune in to me. I try to keep my recipes under 15 minutes. I know some people think that's long, but I always also, if you see the thumbnail and you say, oh, I like that salad Jeanine made, or I like that pasta, and you don't have the full time, you just want to watch 2 minutes and come back, I hope you do, because I always put the recipes in the description with all the instructions and any tips I have. If I substituted, if I have an idea for something, I always have ideas to add and substitute and what you could do with this and how to work the leftovers. So I love to talk and you'll notice that. But I'll let you just go for now because this is just an intro of more me, human, hi everybody, instead of the picture with the food and the stuff, and that's cool. I'm going to leave that up, and I'll probably change my intro from time to time because I like to keep things fresh and moving. That's just me. Janine, welcome, and I hope you like my videos, and I hope you subscribe and join the little family I'm trying to create here on the YouTube community. So I'll see you soon, I hope.